Welcome to Dr. Ayurvedi. We share simple, effective, and time tested Ayurvedic remedies daily to help you live a healthier, happier life. Follow us for natural health tips and stay updated with safe, reliable solutions. At Dr. Ayurvedi, we focus on well researched, safe, and natural practices to fight misinformation. Picture this, you're in your prime, but stubborn grey hairs are creeping in, stealing your confidence and making you look older than you feel. It's like a silent thief in the night. For many men and women, this transition happens far too early. Is it stress, genetics, or is your body missing something vital that's right in front of you? What if an ancient natural tonic could fight back and restore your hair's natural shine? Stick around because we're about to reveal a game changer from Ayurveda. It's scientifically proven. But wait, how do simple seeds turn back the clock on graying? You won't believe the secret inside. This one ingredient holds the key. Keep watching to unlock the science. In Ayurveda, premature graying, or palitya, stems from imbalanced pitta dosha. When heat in the body rises, it burns through the pigment in your follicles. Black sesame seeds, known as Krishna til, are celebrated for promoting hair color and strength. They are heavy and cooling, perfectly balancing that excess pitta. These seeds provide deep tissue nourishment, feeding the asti dhatu or bone tissue, which Ayurveda links directly to the health of your hair. Modern science backs this up. Studies show black sesame's antioxidants combat oxidative stress, the main culprit behind melanin loss in gray hair. By neutralizing free radicals, the sesamin in these seeds allows your melanocytes to keep producing the natural pigment that gives your hair its color. Black sesame seeds are rich in copper and iron. Copper is essential for melanin production, while iron ensures your follicles get the oxygen they need to thrive. But here's the twist. What if combining these seeds with two specific herbs could supercharge your results? Don't stop now. The formula is just seconds away. Next, we add fenugreek. It strengthens roots with proteins and contains nicotinic acid, which is known to stimulate hair growth and reduce breakage. And then, the secret weapon, curry leaves. Full of beta-carotene and amino acids, they provide the ultimate support for natural color restoration. When these three ingredients work together, they create a powerful synergy that targets graying from every angle: strength, color, and protection. Ready for the magic formula? Our models are about to show you the exact steps, so keep watching. The final results will blow your mind. Start by soaking 2 tablespoons of black sesame seeds and optional fenugreek overnight. This softens the seeds and activates their vital enzymes. The next morning, boil them in 1 cup of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Watch as the water turns into a rich, dark herbal infusion. Once cooled, grind the seeds into a fine paste. This releases all the oils and nutrients directly into the mixture for maximum potency. Strain the paste through a cloth to extract the herbal liquid. This concentrated essence is what we'll use to transform your scalp. Now, mix in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil acts as a carrier, helping the nutrients penetrate deep into your hair follicles. But wait, there's a specific way to apply this for it to actually work. If you skip this step, you're wasting your time. Here's the secret massage technique. Apply it directly to your scalp. Use your fingertips to massage in gentle circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. This is crucial for boosting blood flow. The massage ensures that the nutrients are actually absorbed by the follicles. Focus on the areas where you see the most gray hair creeping in. Use this 2 to 3 times a week, ideally in the evening. Leaving it on overnight allows the Ayurvedic herbs to work their magic while your body repairs itself. For even faster results, pair this tonic with Amla, the ultimate Ayurvedic fruit for hair. Its massive vitamin C content supports collagen and melanin production from the inside out. Include walnuts and leafy greens in your diet. These provide the essential omega-3s and biotin that keep your hair follicles healthy and your natural color vibrant. Don't forget stress management. High cortisol levels are a major trigger for premature graying. Simple yoga poses that increase blood flow to the scalp can work wonders for your hair health. Consistency is key. In just 4 weeks, you'll notice a significant increase in shine and a reduction in new gray hairs appearing. By 8 weeks, your hair will feel thicker and look visibly darker as the follicles are nourished. Imagine waking up to your most confident self. Transform your hair today. As a special thanks, I'm offering a custom designed t-shirt to one lucky subscriber this week. Comment Seed Secret below to enter. Subscribe to my channel for more natural remedies. It really encourages me to create more content for you. Please consult a healthcare professional before trying new remedies.